to another vlog. Today we're going to Berlin for Fashion Week and I'm super excited. So I'm currently stacked with some breakfast and my coffee, and we're going to jump onto the train in 20 minutes. I might have overestimated my travel time, but yeah, we're going to visit the show by a good friend of mine who is Alina Clem. She's a young designer, she's very talented, and I'm so proud of her for being on Fashion Week in Berlin. It's crazy. It's just so unreal to go there as well. So since it's Fashion Week, this is my kind of look. I have a vintage dress on and some boots, then a blazer, just a black simple thing, my favorite jacket ever, a necklace, and my favorite earrings, which are like little lucky cats. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I forgot my purse. My purse is by Alicia Victoria, which is another young designer who is very talented and very nice as well. So yeah, and of course an honorable mention goes to my backpack where everything lives, but it doesn't really fit my outfit, so I'm glad it's black. I made it to Berlin. It took a while, and I already had some coffee and a little bit of banana bread at this small cafe because it was raining a lot. It was pouring down. So now I'm heading to the showrooms, take a look at other designers' work as well, and I kind of love it. It's not in the city center. It's not the huge Berlin Fashion Week. It's more like upcoming designers and stuff. But it's really cool. And yeah, I'm excited to be here, even if it's raining. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm like super proud of her. Look at her things. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I can't wait to see it on the runway. It's super gorgeous. Look at the installation itself. And look at this. I love this one so much. So that was the showroom. Now I'm walking around a little bit because this place is right by the river Spree, and I kind of wanted to hang out because it stopped raining. It's just, you know, coming down a little bit, and it's so beautiful. I mean, whoop whoop. I love water so much. I mean, it's not the most dreamy place here, but it's still very beautiful. Love it. I don't know if you can hear me over the pouring rain, but it's so cool to see that all new aspiring designers are more drawn to slow fashion, that they don't want to become designers just to sell stuff, but they want to share their art and still don't, you know, ruin our environment. So that's really cool to see. As you may or may not know, I am definitely against fast fashion, and I'm doing a lot of slow fashion and fair fashion. So in my everyday life, I try to shop sustainably, either secondhand, or if I need something that I know I will wear for a couple of years, I invest in sustainable brands. And I have been doing that for quite some time. So when I started my business, and one of my passions is fashion photography, it was like clear as day to me that I would only work with slow fashion brands, fair fashion brands that don't have money as the #1 priority, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so in case you didn't know that, now you know. So we're finally at the show and I found some friends. We are the fan club of Alina Clem today, and she's opening the show, and I'm so excited for her. I'm so proud of her. Can't wait to see her collection out in the open. It's so exciting. I have goosebumps. many cool designers. It was such a cool day and it was such a cool experience, and I'm still so proud of my friend and very talented designer, by the way. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe,